Hey everyone, it's Brendan. Today I'm going to be showing you how my group and I programmed and created a buzzer using an Arduino board. Now to start us off, we're going to have Will explaining the code and demonstrating our buzzer, fabulously of course. Let's check him out.
My team and I have created this exquisite looking Arduino project, but programming it by using the Arduino IDE, but we'll get back to that in a second. First, what it does is every time you click a button, it plays a different sound frequency. And I'll show you how that program works right now. So if we look over at the program, over in this area, this identifies the different pin modes and the pins that are being used. So we use that to then go to the if statements. Now, if this pen AO is being pressed down, then it'll play a lower frequency. And if this button is playing down, A1, it'll play a slightly higher frequency. And if A2 is pressed down, it'll play the highest frequency out of all of the three. Now to see this in action, we just go over here, and after everything's plugged in, translated from the Arduino to the breadboard, you just click each button, and it plays a sound.
Now we're going to be talking about some of the ups and downs that we had with our project. So to get us started, this buzzer was not that easy to work with. This button right here, it was broken. And we didn't know it at the beginning. We thought it was something with our wires, which we actually got first try. Pretty cool. Anyway, this button thought it was pressed down the whole time, and it was blaring for like 20 minutes. And this is the highest pitch, so you can imagine it was pretty awful. And we finally replaced the button, and it was still doing it. And it ended up being this resistor right here, and it was the right number and everything, and it was just a busted resistor. It was awful. Like I said earlier, though, we did get all of these wires done first try. Like, we didn't have to switch anything around. We knew what we were doing. It came out great. All the other buttons were working. Didn't have any problems with the code. It was honestly, the hardest part was the hardware. Coding it wasn't too hard, and wiring, that was pretty easy. But when it came to this button and a few of these like resistors and the speaker, like, that was a nightmare. But next we're going to be checking out Beckett, and he's going to show us how we checked our resistors.
The device that we use to measure how many ohms are in a resistor. And you basically have to put the black one on the negative side and the red one on the positive.
Thank you, Beckett, for the amazing video. Now we're going to recap on this project. We learned so much more about coding circuits than we've ever known in the past. This was an amazing project. We had so much fun with it. It's just really, really amazing what these little microprocessors are able to do. I would definitely recommend purchasing one. Check out my ePortfolio for the link, and you can buy one for yourself. Totally recommend. This is going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!